Hey, tech enthusiasts!
Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into Google's latest innovation, the Google Pixel tablet. If you're searching for a device that blends versatility, cutting-edge technology, and the seamless Google experience, then this video is for you. We're going to explore every feature of this sleek and powerful tablet, showing you why it could be your next favorite gadget.
Let's start with the design.
Google has always been at the forefront of combining minimalism with functionality, and the Pixel tablet is a perfect example of this. The first thing you'll notice is its slim and lightweight profile, making it incredibly easy to carry around. It's designed to be portable yet sturdy, with premium materials that give it a solid, durable feel. The smooth, matte finish on the back not only looks stylish but also provides a comfortable grip, so you can hold it for hours without discomfort. Color options are always a treat with Google devices, and the Pixel tablet doesn't disappoint. It's available in a range of soft, modern hues that complement its sleek design. Whether you choose the sophisticated charcoal, the clean and classic porcelain, or the vibrant coral, there's a color to match every style. Next up, let's talk about performance. At the heart of the Google Pixel tablet is the Google Tensor G2 chip, which brings AI-driven performance to the next level. This powerful processor ensures that everything runs smoothly, from multitasking between apps to playing graphically intensive games. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, editing photos, or running productivity apps, the Pixel tablet handles it all effortlessly, making it a reliable companion for both work and play.
Memory and storage are crucial for any tablet, and the Pixel tablet offers ample options.
With up to 8 GB of RAM, you can switch between tasks seamlessly, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. The storage options, starting from 128 GB, give you plenty of space for your apps, files, photos, and videos. And with Google One integration, you can always expand your storage with cloud options, ensuring you never run out of space. One of the standout features of the Google Pixel tablet has to be its display. The 11-inch LCD display offers a resolution of 2560 by 1600, delivering crisp, vibrant visuals that make everything from streaming videos to reading ebooks a pleasure. The colors are rich and accurate, and the brightness levels make it easy to use indoors or outdoors. Whether you're watching a movie, sketching with a stylus, or browsing the web, the Pixel tablet's display brings your content to life with stunning clarity. The Pixel tablet also supports stylus input, making it a versatile tool for creatives and professionals alike. Whether you're taking notes, drawing, or editing photos, the responsive touchscreen and stylus compatibility make it an intuitive and enjoyable experience. Now, let's move on to connectivity. In today's connected world, having the right ports and wireless capabilities is essential, and the Google Pixel tablet delivers. It comes equipped with a USB-C port for fast charging and data transfer, ensuring you can keep your device powered up and connected. The tablet also supports Wi-Fi 6 for faster, more reliable internet connections, which is perfect for streaming, downloading, or video conferencing. Plus, with Bluetooth 5.2, you can connect all your wireless peripherals, from headphones to keyboards, with ease. Battery life is another area where the Pixel tablet shines.
Google has optimized this device to deliver all-day battery life, so you can work, play, and stream without constantly worrying about recharging.
When you do need to power up, the fast charging feature ensures you're back up and running in no time, making it a perfect companion for those who are always on the move.
Now, let's talk about the software experience.
The Pixel tablet runs on the latest version of Android, with all the benefits of Google's ecosystem. This means you get a pure, bloatware-free experience, with regular updates and the latest features as soon as they're released. Google's focus on AI and machine learning shines through with features like Google Assistant, which is more powerful and helpful than ever. Whether you're using voice commands to control your smart home devices, asking for information, or setting reminders, the Pixel tablet integrates seamlessly into your digital life.
Audio quality is often overlooked in tablets, but not with the Pixel tablet.
It comes with quad speakers that deliver rich, immersive sound, making it perfect for everything from watching movies to video calls. The audio is tuned to provide clear highs, deep lows, and a balanced overall sound, making it a joy to listen to your favorite content without needing external speakers.
So, who is this tablet for?
The Google Pixel tablet is designed to appeal to a wide range of users. Students will love its portability and power, making it ideal for taking notes in class, studying, and entertainment. Professionals will appreciate its sleek design, fast performance, and integration with Google Workspace, making it a reliable tool for meetings, presentations, and multitasking. Creatives will benefit from the vibrant display and stylus support, perfect for sketching, photo editing, and digital art. In conclusion, the Google Pixel tablet is more than just a tablet. It's a gateway to Google's ecosystem, offering a seamless experience that's powerful, intuitive, and designed to fit into your life, whether you're working, learning, creating, or just relaxing. With its premium design, powerful performance, stunning display, and thoughtful features, it's a device that's sure to enhance your productivity and creativity. That's a wrap for today's video.
I hope you found this in-depth review helpful and informative.
Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel for more in-depth tech reviews and the latest in technology. Ring that notification bell so you never miss an update.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.